Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christina and I am a mom of 5 kids ranging from 18 months all the way to 13 years. In today's video, I'm talking to you guys about STEM activities for kids. Now, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that math and science are not my strengths. I am a certified English teacher. I am a homeschool mom. I love all of these different subjects, but putting together STEM activities for my kids does not come naturally for me. It is not a strength. So what I'm super excited to share with you guys today is Gigil Stem Kits. So Gigil Stem Kits sent me this box to do an unboxing and review for you guys, and they are sponsoring today's video. So thank you so much, Gigil Stem Kits, for sponsoring this video today. I am so excited to try out this box with my kids, especially, like I said, because STEM is not my strength. I love doing fun and engaging and hands-on learning activities for my kids, but as a busy mom, I don't have a ton of time to research and prepare all of these different things for my kids. So when Gigil Stem Kits reached out to me, I was super excited because I have been looking into finding some kind of science or STEM box that I could get delivered to my house where all of the work was done for me and I could just open the box and get started. And Gigil Stem Kits has done just that. Everything that you need to do any of the 5 activities that are included in this kit, everything you need is here. So the instructions for it, all of the materials, including if it needs things like tape or glue or scissors. So even those things, you don't have to worry about going to find the tape and realizing you're all out, or going to find the glue, or tracking down the scissors and you don't know where they are. Everything that you need to do the activities is right in the box, and that could not excite me more. You guys know by now that I am all about that. I love Pinterest and Instagram and all of the amazing things that other moms do, but I don't always have time to do the research, gather all of the things, hope that it works the way it's supposed to. These are tried and true, ready to go for us. So these are created by a homeschool mom and a certified teacher. So I absolutely love that this is education based. So these are not just crafts or fun activities, although they do look like some super fun activities. They all are a lesson. So these are a perfect add-on to your homeschool curriculum, to if you do fun Fridays or you do certain STEM days, or if you just feel like you need to kind of beef up your STEM learning in your homeschool. These are also great though, even if you don't homeschool and you just want something screen-free, hands-on, fun with learning, either after school or on the weekends, on school breaks when you don't know what else to do. If you live in a snowy place in the wintertime, like I do in upstate New York, that's what I'm super excited about this box for, is for when it gets dark at 4 p.m. and it's too cold outside and we need something to do other than sit in front of the TV. So I'm super excited to try this out. I'm super excited to share it with you. I also want to let you know that I have a discount code down below for you. So if you want to try out a subscription, you can use that discount code, and there is a link to Gigil Stem Kits to purchase. Also, what is super exciting before we jump into looking at what's in this box is I want to let you know, if you're watching this video, there is already a giveaway live over on my Instagram with instructions how to enter to get a free Gigil Stem Kit. So if you are not already following me over on Instagram, it is at rooted_homeschool. I'll also link that down below. Follow the instructions on that post and you will be entered to win a Gigil Stem Kit. One thing that I'm really excited about with this kit is that it's completely hands-on. So there are no worksheets or anything like that. There are optional video lessons that go along with it. The video lessons are given by a certified teacher, which is really awesome. So if you want to implement something like that, that is available to you as well with this Gigil Stem Kit. It is also charter school approved, so charter school funds can be used to purchase a subscription to this box. So you can try out just a single box, you can go ahead and jump into a subscription, and you can find all of those options at the link below. Don't forget to use my discount code so that you can get a discount on your order. So Gia is going to help me unbox it, and she is super excited. Are you excited, Gia?
Yeah.
I'm sure she's excited to be able to see what's in here and see what kinds of activities are in here. So, all right, Gigi. Let's see. So it says, "Hello, junior scientists. Let's start exploring."
Whoa, so cool. Can I see this, Mama?
Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have some of this bubble wrap. You want to take that, Gigi?
Yeah. Ooh,
All right, we have some kind of like, looks like a foam, almost like a pool noodle. You want to take that?
I know what you can do with it. You can like lick it as a pirate thing.
Mm-hmm. So we have some plastic cups. We have some glue.
Ooh, these are tiny like snowballs.
Yep.
Yeah.
So these are styrofoam balls of different sizes. Gigi, maybe you can kind of like set those out. Actually, you know what? You can put some of them in here. Now you put some of them right in there. Not the big ones, silly, the little ones.
Well, they can look like a snow cone.
Okay, maybe put the little ones in first then. Okay, so we have some crayons. So 24 pack of crayons.
24.
Looks like we have some rubber bands and thumbtacks or push pins. We have this little kit which has
Let me see.
tape, scissors, a pen, a mechanical pencil, cotton balls, a little colored cotton ball, some kind of white line, like almost like thicker than a fishing line, and star stickers. You want to take a look at that, Gigi?
Wow, that is so cute.
Then we have a permanent marker.
That was so cool.
Then we have some paints.
I thought like this paint was for like painting the balls.
Yeah, probably. That would make sense, right?
Yeah.
All right, then we have this silver pipe cleaner. We have a paper plate. We have some skewers. So then there is this cork board.
Oh.
This little yellow rectangle.
Wow, that is cool.
We have this little notebook. I'm guessing this is maybe to record observations.
This looks like a kind of like
Ooh.
paper notebook.
What's that? Let's see. Is that just like a piece of black construction paper?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so now it looks like we have a parent's guide. This explains, gives you a list of all of the materials you need for each of the 5 activities. And then there are even learning goals there. So it talks about 8 main phases of the moon. It talks about constellations. It gives you the video links. And then there are some handouts here to kind of show the phases of the moon. I'm actually really excited about this because we did the Gather Round Space Unit last year, and I feel like this is a really cool way to spiral back through and kind of review in a more hands-on way. We actually were supposed to do a solar system model and we didn't get to it. So I'm really excited about that. We did do some paper mache of a couple planets, but we never made a full model. So I am pumped about this. So here is the instructions for it, and it's described as a challenge, which is cool. Then there is a swing on a star activity. Then there's a constellation geoboard. That sounds really cool and interesting. Then it shows actual constellations, and it looks like it's kind of like a dot to dot to kind of continue making the constellations. That is super cool. And then there is an outer space diorama. That sounds like a lot of fun. I think we're gonna like that one. And then planet cutouts. So you'll use these for one of those activities. And then there's some extra paper here. The last things in the box that we have a laminated poster of the phases of the moon and then in relation to the sun. Then we have the planets in relation to the sun as well. Information about stars, so that's pretty cool. And then we have a constellations poster as well. So again, I'm really excited because we covered some of this in the space unit, but I love that this is allowing us to spiral back through and get more hands-on with some of the space information. So what do you think, Gigi?
I really love it.
Are you excited to like actually try out these activities?
Yeah, I'm really excited. These kind of look like sticks for marshmallows.
Kind of. All right, guys, so hopefully you had as much fun as I did unboxing the Gigil Stem Kit. I cannot wait to jump in to do some of these activities with my kids. I love that it's fun and that it's hands-on, but it's still learning. I definitely will share with you guys as we do it over on Instagram. I share more day-to-day updates and things that we're doing here on a day-to-day basis over there on stories and reels and all of those things. So if you're not already following us there, definitely follow us over there. Definitely go check out the giveaway so that you can enter to win a free Gigil Stem box. If you like this video, please click the like button. It does help my little channel here on YouTube. So I super appreciate that. If you are not already subscribed, I would love if you would subscribe. Click that red subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so that you know when we have a new video coming out. We have lots of fun content coming your way. So I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos. And until next time, stay rooted.